Hello everyone, I am Dhaul Prajapati, a maths teacher. Today we will learn class 9 exercise number 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at the value of x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So let us start solution. First, we must write down our polynomial p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now, x is equal to 0. So, p of 0 is equal to 5 of 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. That's why we can find out 5 into 0 means 0 minus 4 into 0 square. 0 square is always 0 and 0 into 4 also 0 plus 3. So p of 0 is equal to 3. Now p of minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square plus 3. So 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 5, minus 4 minus 1 square. Minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So minus 4 into plus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 3. So here solution is minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9 plus 3. That's why we can write down minus 6. Now x is equal to 2. So p of 2 equal to 5 of 2 minus 4 of 2 square plus 3. So we can write now 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 2 square is also 4 plus 3. So 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. That's why our answer is 10 minus 16 minus 6 plus 3. So minus 3. So answer is value of x is equal to 0 is 3, x is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 2 is minus 3. Now let us start question number 2. Find out p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomial. Here we have some polynomial and we need to find out p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Same like question number 1. So solution p of 0. Here p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So now we take 0 instead of y. So write down 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So 0 square is 0, 0 plus 1. So our answer is 1. P of 0 is equal to 1. Now P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 1 cancel out and p of 1 is equal to 1. Now p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our answer is P of 2 equal to 3. Now second number, here P of t is equal to 2 plus t square plus 2t square minus t cube. So first P of 0 is equal to 2 plus, when you find out t, put the value of t is equal to 0. So 0 square plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So our answer is 2, because 0 square is 0, 2 into 0 always 0, and 0 cube is also 0. So P of 0 is equal to 2. Now P of 1 equal to 2 plus t square, so 1 square plus 2 into t square against 1 square minus t cube, so 1 cube is equal to 2 plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 square is equal to 2 minus 1 cube is equal to 1. So 1 is cancelled out and our answer is 4. So P of 1 is equal to 4. Now P of 2 equal to 2 plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So 2 plus square root of 2, square of 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 2 cube is equal to 8 is equal to 2 plus 4 6 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 8. So 8 cancel out and P of 2 is equal to 6. Now third one, P of x is equal to x cube. So first P of 0 is equal to 0 cube. Our answer is 0. Against P of 1 is equal to 1 cube and cube of 1 is equal to 1. Third one, P of 2 equal to 2 cube. So what is the cube of 2? 8. So P of 2 is equal to 8. Now fourth one, solution P of 0 is equal to, here before we solve P of 0, we sort out x minus 1 and x plus 1 by expansion. First x minus 1 and x plus 1, actually this is a formula of x square minus 1. Okay, so P of x is equal to x into x, x square, and minus x plus x minus 1. So this is sort out. Okay, if you do not know, you must remember formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So now let me start. P of x is equal to, when you find out x, you must value of x is equal to 0. So 0 square minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this one is our P of 0. Now P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. So answer is 0. So P of 1 is equal to 0. Now P of 2 equal to 2 square minus 1 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 minus 1. So here P of 2 is equal to 3. Now let us start question number 3. Verify whether the followings are zeros of the polynomial. Indicate against them P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 x is equal to minus 1 by 3. In this question, we must take value of x is equal to minus 1 by 3, and if the value of our polynomial is 0, then we can say that yes, minus 1 by 3 is the zeros of this polynomial. And if x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is not equal to 0, then we can say that this is not a zeros of our polynomial. So let us start solution. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Now x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 and plus 1. So 3 cancel out, and we can write minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So dear friend, you can see now P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So our answer is yes, P of minus 1 by 3 is a zeros of polynomial. This is our answer of first one. Now second one. P of x is equal to 5x minus 5, and we need to take out x is equal to 4 upon 5. So write down P of x. So we can write down 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. So 5 is cancel out, and we get 4 minus pi. This is the value of P of 4 by 5. This one is not a 0, so we can say that P of 4 by 5 is not a zero of polynomial. Now question number 3. P of x is equal to x square minus 1, where x is equal to 1 and minus 1. So first take it x is equal to 1. So P of 1 equal to x square minus 1. That's why we can write 1 square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So value of P of 1 is equal to 0. So this is a 0 of our polynomial. Now let verify P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 square minus 1. And what is the square of minus 1? Minus minus plus. So you can write 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So P of minus 1 is also 0. So we can say that yes, x equal to 1 and minus 1 are zeros of polynomial. Now fourth number, solution. P of x is equal to x plus 1 x minus 2. Before you solve this, you must expand this factorize. So x plus 1 x minus 2. Now write down x plus 1 x minus 2 is equal to x into x. You can write x square, x minus x into minus 2. So write down minus 2x against 1 into x. So write down plus x, and 1 into minus 2 minus 2. So our expansion is x square minus x minus 2. Now take x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 to verify zeros. So first P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 square minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 square is equal to 1, minus minus plus minus 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to zeros. Now P of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 minus 2 equal. What is the square of 2? Of course 4 minus 2 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. Am I right? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can write yes, x is equal to minus 1 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial. Now fifth one, P of x is equal to x square. Now we need to take value of x is equal to 0 and verify it. So first you can write P of 0 is equal to 0 square. So what is the square of 0? Of course 0. So we can write down yes, x is equal to 0 is 0 of polynomial. Now sixth one is P of x is equal to Lx plus m. X is equal to minus m upon L. So here we need to take value of x is equal to minus m by L and verify it is zeros of this polynomial. So P of minus m by L equal to L. X is equal to minus m by L plus m. So L is cancelled out and we can write down minus m plus m. So minus m plus m cancel. So P of minus m by L is equal to 0. So we can write down yes, x is equal to minus m upon L is 0 of our polynomial. Seven number, P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. We need to verify x is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 3 and 2 upon square root of 3. Is this zeros of this polynomial? So first minus 1 upon root 3. So P of minus 1 upon square root of 3. So 3 into minus 1 upon square root of 3 and here x square. So this one is square minus 1. So 3 into square of minus 1 is equal to 1 and root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So 3 cancel out and this one is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, P of 2 upon square root of 3 equal to 3 into 2 upon square root of 3 whole square minus 1. So 3 into square of 2 is equal to 4 and square root of root 3 is equal to 3 minus 1. So 3 is cancelled out. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So P of 2 upon root 3 is equal to 3. So we can say that P of minus 1 upon root 3 is zeros of our polynomial, but P of 2 upon root 3 is not a zero of polynomial. So answer is P of minus 1 upon root 3 is 0 of polynomial, but P of 2 upon root 3 is not a zero of polynomial. Now last one is P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. We need to verify x is equal to 1 by 2 is zeros of this polynomial. So write down P of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 is cancelled out. So we can see that 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So value of P of 1 upon 2 is equal to 2. So is these zeros of our polynomial? No. Okay, because if x is equal to 1 by 2 is 0 of our polynomial, then value of P of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. But here we can see that P of 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So this is not as zeros of our polynomial. Answer is x is equal to 1 by 2 is not a zero of polynomial. Now question number 4. Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. In this question we need to find out zeros of the polynomial. So first one, P of x is equal to x plus 1. So we can write x plus 5 is equal to 0. So value of x is equal to 5 is here plus. So you can write minus 5. So this is your zeros. Second number, P of x is equal to x minus 5. So you can write x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 5. Now question number 3. P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So solution, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore you can write 2x is equal to, this one is plus 5, so we can write minus 5. So x is equal to 2 and x both are in relationship of multiplication. So we can write down minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is 0 of our polynomial. Now fourth one is 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Same like this. So 3x is equal to, here minus 2. So we can write plus 2. Therefore 0 of this polynomial is equal to 2 by 3. Now fifth one, P of x is equal to 3x. So solution is 3 of x is equal to 0. So x equal to 0 upon 3. So 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. So 0 of this polynomial is 0. Sixth one is P of x is equal to a of x, and a is not equal to 0. So our solution is ax equal to 0. So x equal to 0 by a. Therefore x equal to 0, because 0 upon a is equal to 0. So 0 of this polynomial is 0. Now 7. P of x is equal to cx plus d, and c is not equal to 0. Again c and d are real number. So we can write P of x is equal to cx plus d. Therefore cx plus d equal to 0. So cx equal to plus d here minus d. So x equal to minus d upon c. So 0 of this polynomial is minus d upon c. So this is a complete solution of exercise number 2.2.